Hey, good Wednesday morning, and thank you for checking out this weather update. We had some spectacular weather yesterday. Temperatures made it to 76, and we should see very similar temperatures today. A little more cloud cover this morning. We'll see a little more sunshine later today, and we will stay dry. Tomorrow will be a much different story. We have heavy rain on the way. We have flooding concerns as well. We're going to see heavy rain tomorrow all the way into Friday morning. A few inches of rain not out of the question here, but we should start to dry things out this weekend. Here's that 7-day forecast. We'll show you that in just a second. This morning temperatures, as you can see, in the mid to upper 50s, so a lot warmer than yesterday morning at this time. And again, we'll still warm up to about 76 later today. Some late day sunshine should help to boost that temperature back up. Very, very pleasant day to be outside. Now enjoy it, because tomorrow will be a washout of a day. Heavy rain, a few thunderstorms, severe weather looking very, very low, the chances of that. I really think the heavy rain is our main focus here. And then Friday, a very gloomy and cool day. Temperatures on Friday a lot cooler. 50 may be a stretch here even for the high temperature, but most of the day in the 40s. Windy, it's going to feel more like the 30s, so very chilly day on Friday, but we will start to improve this weekend. Again, here's a look at that forecast radar. You can see the rounds of rain for tomorrow, but rainfall totals of more than 2 inches possible, so some flooding is going to be likely here during that time frame. Then the weekend we improve things. Saturday, a little bit of sunshine in the upper 50s. Sunday though, look at that, 73, some sunshine. Great weather for Easter Sunday, so that is some great timing for that. If you have any Easter egg hunts planned there for Sunday, the weather looks great. And then next week, a very spring-like pattern, chances for a few widely scattered thunderstorms. Thank you guys for checking out this forecast. Have a good day.